Hey guys, Lee my Progress again. Now, as promised, I'm going to give you an update on what's happening on the Chile mine rescue, as I'm getting it, of course. At the time of this video, the confirmed report was that no miners have come back up yet. They've been doing continuous tests, and apparently, at the moment, this last one, which was a communications test, should be the last unmanned test, hopefully. Right? And the next one is actually going to be a manned drop. It's either going to be a manned test or a manned drop. And they're going to be sending down a technical advisor, sorry, a mine rescuer, I should say, who can actually kind of act as a technical advisor as to how the capsule is going. Right? And if there's, because the capsule so far come down to within about 5 meters of the miners. Now that's a long way down, but unfortunately at the same time, it's still short of the miners, and therefore there's still a fairly big possibility that there might be problems as the capsule keeps going down. Now, as I said, there's every possibility that there might be some problems, and as a result, this manned drop will be an important time to see what those problems are. Right? And as I said before, they're sending down a mine rescuer who can kind of act as a technical advisor on the way down. Right? And if he makes it all the way in there, then Florencio will be the first man up. Now, I don't know when that's going to be. Hopefully that's fairly soon. And hopefully I will be giving you that report when it happens. Okay, so until I hear otherwise, we're still looking at tests. So we're still doing tests, and we still haven't done an actual rescue yet. So until then, just keep your eyes peeled. Keep an eye on the news channels, on the Wikimedia Foundation's own wikis, and definitely keep an eye on your news sites as well, because hopefully they will actually have an update as it happens. Alright? And also keep an eye on this channel, because I will try and give you an update when I get one, provided I'm here, hopefully. Okay, so until then, I'm Lee Progress. Hopefully I'll see you soon.